Hello everyone, so welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today's question of our LeetCode 75 days challenge is reverse vowels of a string. So let's just check what is given. So we are given a string and we have to reverse only all the vowels in the string and return it. So let's just go with the first example. It is hello, so we have to return HOLLE. So in this we are just reversing EO to OE and we'll be replacing. Same with this LeetCode. So in this we have to just reverse all the vowels. So in that it will be LEOTCET. Okay, so yeah, and they can appear in both lower and upper cases and can be more than once. Okay, so let's just go over to for the intuition part. Okay, so what we are given, we will take one example. It is HELLO. Okay, and we have to return HOLLE. So we can see that E will become O and O will become E. So they are coming EO and we will be reversing it to OE and replacing the first one with the first and second one with the second one. Okay, so for the first approach, okay, for the first approach, what we can do, we can create another string. Let's just say string temp, and we can add all the vowels in this, add all vowels in it of the given string. Okay, after that what we will do, we will take 2 pointers, first at the 0th index of this string and second at the given string, and we will check if in the given string it is vowel, and so we will be replacing it with the ith pointer of this temp string, and we can go over that. So I will be taking another example for this. Let's just take one example, Leto. Okay, so this is S, so we will be making a temp string from this. Temp will be double EO. Okay, and we will reverse it. So the reverse temp will be OEE. Okay, or we can make this temp string in the reverse order also. We can take that approach also. So we will have this reverse string, we will have S as Leto. Okay, now I will make it look better. So Leto, and this is OEE, and this is Rev, and this is S. So what I will do, I will place I at this and J at this. I will check if this is vowel or not. If this is vowel or not, so if this is not, I will just move here to ith one. If this is vowel, then I will replace it with O. Okay, so this will become O. Now I will move forward, check for second, this is vowel, replace it with this. Once replaced, so I will also be incrementing J. Okay, now J will become 1. If this is replaced, J will come to here and I will come to here. This is not vowel, go forward. I4, this is vowel, I will replace it, so it will become E. So now our answer will be LOETE, and that will be our answer. Okay, so in this approach the time complexity will be big of n only. Okay, and space complexity will be big of n. Since we are using another string, and it might be case that they are all vowels, so it will use the n space only. Okay, so now we pseudocode will be, I will be writing a pseudocode. Okay, let's just go forward. So what we'll be doing, so string temp, initialize it to empty, and go in the reverse order. S dot length -1, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. Okay, and if is vowel, s of I. Okay, I will add it to temp plus equals to, sorry, s of I. Okay, and after that what we will do, we will take two pointers, int I equals to 0 and j equals to 0, and while I is less than s dot length and j is less than temp dot length, we will check if s of I, okay, if is vowel, s of I, then we'll just swap both of them or replace it with I. So s of I will become temp of j, increment both of them, else we will just increment our ith pointer. Okay, so this will be our pseudocode. Now to optimize this approach, we will be doing another thing. We will not use any of the additional data, additional string. We will just be taking two pointers and we will be swapping the characters once we reach the vowel. Okay, so the approach will be let's just take the same string Lito. So what we will do, we will take I and j. Okay, I will be at the initial stage and j will be at the end. Okay, let's just say n-1. We will check if both are vowel or not. If not, we will increment I, because it is not a vowel. This is vowel, so we will not decrement it. Since this is vowel and this is a vowel, we will swap both of them, so it will become O and it will become E. So now the string is LOETE. After this, okay, let's just do in this string only. So after swapping, I is at here and j is at here only. So after swapping, we will increment I to here and j at here, since they are both not vowels. In case anyone is not vowel, we will increment and decrement both. And in case one is vowel and one is not, we will decrement or increment the one based on non-vowel. So this is vowel, we will not increment it. This is non-vowel, we will decrement it. In case I and j comes at the same position, we will take out of the loop. So let's just take another example also. Let's just say it is SMA smaller. Okay, so I will be at here, j will be at here. Okay, this is n-1. So these both are non-vowel, so we will increment I and decrement our J. This is non-vowel, this is vowel, so we will increment this one. Now this is vowel and E is also vowel, we will swap them. So what it will become? It will become E and it will become A. Since we have done the swapping both sides, so we will increment this one also and decrement this one also. Now they both are non-vowel, so we will like increment both of them. Once like they come equal, or if I becomes greater than J, we will come out of the loop stating that we cannot do anything. So yeah, that's the approach. So in this case the time complexity will be big of n only, since we are just iterating over the array once, and time complexity is big of 1, since we are not using any other data structure, only the variables. Yeah, so let's just move to the coding part. Okay, so what we can do, we will take two pointers I0 and j equals to s dot length -1. Okay, and we will go till I is less than j, because in case of equal also there is no need of swap. Okay, we will check. Okay, so what we will do, we will check if is vowel s of ith character is vowel or not, and if is vowel s of j, okay, jth character. If both are vowel, what we have to do, we will have to swap s of I and s of j, and we have to increment our I and decrement our j. Okay, and in case it is not, else what we have to do, we have to check if what of the first one, if let's just check if this is equal to, if ith character is vowel, so what we have to do, we have to decrement our j since it was non-vowel, and in case our jth character is vowel, we have to increment our I. In case both are not, we will have to increment and increment both. We can cover the same in the first condition with our I just added it below. Okay, so once it is done, we will come out of the loop and we have to return our string s. Okay, so I think yeah, it will work. Let's just test on our test cases. Oh sorry, so we have to like implement our is vowel, and our code got removed. I'm not sure why. Okay, so we have to write the code again. Not sure why it is happening. So we have to swap not sure what was the issue with the LeetCode IDE. Okay, and we will create our function boolean is vowel. It will take a character ch, and we will check if ch is equals to a or ch equals to capital A. We'll do similar thing for all the vowels. Okay, so it will be this. Capital E, capital O, same for capital O, U, capital U. Okay, I just missed I. A E I O, A E I O U. Okay, so in case it is equal to any of them, return true, else we will return false. Okay, I will just copy this code in case it goes out again. So it is working fine. Let's just okay, it is working for both of the test cases, so we can try to submit this. Yeah, so it is submitted successfully. Yeah, so thanks everyone for watching. Please, in case do like this video, please do subscribe our channel for more updates and solutions. Yeah, thanks everyone.